Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shupro Kivani. Now I am going to review a very unique kind of horror film. The film's name is Come Play, which is released in India today itself on November of 27 through Reliance Entertainment Ventures, and it has released worldwide past 3 to 4 weeks during Halloween time. So how is the film and how spooky is the content? Let's check out. So the film revolves around a character called Oliver, who is an autistic kid, and the role is played by debutant actor Azzy Robertson. This this kid did a very fabulous job in this film. He was excellent as the character Oliver, and the way he tried to portray that autistic image in him is just splendid. And Jacob Chase is the writer and director of this movie, who tried to focus on a monster who is stored in a app, and he tries to come out of the app just to become friends with a kid who is also lonely in his world, and the ghost, the monster that lives in another world, he is also lonely and in that world. So somehow they try to connect with each other, and how this perhaps becomes a horrific thing throughout the family is all about the film. So what I liked about this film is the way the film is made. I mean, the characters and the actors who played the roles just will connect to your heart very easily, especially the kid Oliver. I mean, Azzy Robertson, he is excellent. As I said earlier, he was excellent in the film. Along with him, his friends who also gave a good support to him was just amazing. And I would say something very interesting. You know, this film, the monster that has been shown in this film, that is Larry, the name of the monster. Larry resembles to somehow E.T. character, and the way he moves his finger, you will recollect that memory of E.T., which was directed by a veteran director Steven Spielberg. Oh, not to mention, this film is produced by Amblin Entertainment. Somehow Amblin Entertainment is also related to E.T. extraterrestrial. So I think they had tried to make that E.T. film into a horrific version with something with new gadget kind of thing. Because in this film, they tried to portray that how technology overpowers societal norms and culture, how a person is lonely in the world because of technology, and he or she is very much involved in the technology. So the ghost also tries to connect with the people through technology. There are many kind of shots in the film which are very interestingly made, like the through lights. The ghost was trying to, I would not say it's a ghost, it's a monster. So he was trying to connect with the people through lights, and the way that scenes are made, it's just outstanding. Special mention, I'm sorry, special mention is the last climax of this film, which is just amazing. I mean, I was awestruck. At the same time, I was very much emotional, because the thing that made me emotional is how a mother sacrificed her life because of her kid, and the term that she used, that I will always protect you anytime anywhere, just like Larry wanted to protect Oliver. So I would say this film is a very entertaining piece of horror film with something new to address, and I would request all of you to please watch this film Come Play in theaters near you, and I will surely say this film will not disappoint you at all. Those who are horror fan lover, please go and watch this film this weekend, because this film is a must watch. So if you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. And if you want that I make videos in English, then please let me know in the comment, and also DM me on Instagram. I will give my Instagram details in the box. So let's see in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.